Hello guys and girls, Voices from the Dark here, and we are in deep trouble. We are fighting some creatures I've never seen before. They are invisible, they are scary, they come out of nowhere, and they have glowing red eyes. All the criteria of enemies I don't want to meet. But I am meeting them. And they have insane range. Let's just get out of there. Let's get out of here. Screw this place. Screw it good. Alright, there we go. And safe. Whew. Alright. Alrighty-yo, so let's go to the hospital now. Actually, let's go to the subway and then to the hospital. Because we just opened the terminal gates, and what can possibly go wrong in this corridor? I wonder. Nothing at all. Hi there. You're cute. Bye-bye. Dun 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 dun. I have had enough of your shenanigans. What's that on the wall there? Graffiti. Pff, how crude. Guess we're going up. Going up, up, up. And now we are here. Yay, let's get on the subway. 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 And of course, it's not working. So we gotta take the track, follow the subway tracks. Secondary objective is to collect information on replica activities on the subway system. Alright. That can be done. Oh. Okay. Well, you guys are certainly up to no good. Oh. Whoa. Wait, that's Alma. Thanks, Alma, but do you want to kill me or do you want to help me? I'm confused. Alright, let's switch out our ASP rifle. I want to switch to the empty gun. There we go. Let's just quickly go up here and check, see if there are any goodies. Because we could really go for some medkits right about now. That'd be an excellent thing. Oh, of course, of course, of course. That's one. You can say that again. Because now you're about to get nailed. Not the good way. Whoo! Take him out. Good. Got him. But I took way too much damage there. Got him. Anybody else? No? Good. Here we go again. Like, they have some areas with way too many medkits, and then some areas where you're like just craving the medkits. Alright. And yeah. That was everything there. And boop. It's the right way, apparently. Oh, is the subway? Oh, it's not on this track. Oh, crap, damn it, door. Hey, mister. Shoot the padlock to unlock the door. Alright. Or we can do that. Oh no. Not again. Not another crawling section. We made it though. We got some remote bombs. Probably... Let's see. We probably want those, honestly. So I have to actually be in it to do it. Okay. Maybe that's a more convenient weapon. Alright. Let's go. Here we go. Slowly getting our medkits back. And now we're out here. Okay. But Alma's up there. I gotta go say hi to Mother. Hear my way. Gosh darn it. Some people... Let's make some art. I know you are. I can see you right there. You don't have to announce it to me. You're gonna need a lot of help. And that's why we don't do the jumping kick, apparently. Oh shit! Oh god, that scared me. That scared me so badly. Go, go, go! I was like, I went off this track way too soon. What's actually down there? Oh, that musical cue got me. Oh, that got me. Hey, 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 mister. Alright, there was somebody behind me there, but I think they might be upstairs. Yeah, so I'll get him. And don't jump kick into that one now. Do it. Do the jump kick. Do the jump. Okay, I'm just gonna give up on using that. It never works. Alma was right here. Right next to you. Bye-bye, mister. Alright, I could apparently go up there, but... whatever. We're fine. I don't trust the save points anymore. Slide... turn. Oh. Hey there. Almost have one. Let's go back to the normal grenades. Ugh. These things are really obnoxious because they keep shooting even after you're gone. Let's throw some grenades over there. Probably didn't do jack shit, but there was one. There goes. Not two, because I'm bad at aiming. I can't stand waiting around the wall there, so I'm like, die. Thank you. My impatience is gonna kill me, but I've had it with waiting around corners for silly turrets. I thought I'm gonna need a new weapon now. And this hallway is bound to be bad. I don't have a pro.
He's here. F.E.A.R. Stay away from me.
I'm not going to do anything to you, Ms. Kwan. But I can't speak for my mother.
I think that was a your mama joke.
Tchaikovsky.
I tasted the good lieutenant's visions, and they were most revealing.
Spin. Your eyes.
Damn. I remember Jankowski. Right. Let's move on up. Alright. Here we go. Time to rock and roll. Take you out. And you out. Then make sure you're dead, because I think you're just faking. Yes, you are. There's gonna be somebody else coming through that door. And I'm dead. That's a better way to do it. And just blast you backwards and get some shelter before the new one comes. Throw a grenade up there. And show him who's boss. You're in the middle of the door. That's cheating. Reporting you. You damn scoundrel. I wanted to do a ninja kickflip off of there, but I suppose not. Give me this. And we can move on. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Oh. Well, that's interesting. Let's go this way. More explosions. Or a robot. Damn it. I have a feeling there's gonna be a robot. That was loud. What just happened there? What's going on? Who's fighting? I was just so baffled that they came running at me because I couldn't fire because I had the wrong weapon out. What? Did somebody die here? Who were they fighting? Wow, look at this. Like an entire magazine and I don't think he's dead. Oh, there you are. Let's get some nice headshots going on, you guys. Make you look a tad prettier. Here. You need a hole in your head to match the hole in your brain. Whoa. Did you just throw a shelf on me? I don't approve. There. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. That's one down. That's two down. Here we go, got him. Alright, I still need a new weapon. Somebody. Somewhere have a weapon for me. Thank you. Dun 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 dun. Good. Give me this. They are crazy. They're... I love the fact that they play around with physics in this one, like blowing through every single wall. Oh. Those melee attacks are really, really vicious. But so are mine. Boom. Sadly, you're too far away for me to do it. I was a little save here. This section is intense. We should be on the right track to the hospital. And gone. How? Like, he hasn't even initiated the melee attack, but I still take damage. That always happens. Unless it was with bullets. Medkit. That's... no! There we go. It's awfully dark though. Yeah. Health booster. Gimme. Good, good, good. And... oh, water. Isn't that lovely? It's just peachy. What's down here, I wonder? Is there anything interesting? I'll just go up the ladder then. Screw that. Yep. I knew they couldn't resist putting a ladder scare there. Whoa. Hello? Hello? Oh no. Something went down in this hallway. Hey. Oh! Oh, okay, you have a shield and a minigun. I did not see that. I thought he was just a normal dude. Alright. You're the guy who went all rampage here. I see. And you won't mind a few of those, would you? Try and hit him on the side where he doesn't have a shield. Oh, snap, I fell down the ladder. I don't know how I feel about that. Can he go down ladders? Regardless, this was bad. I'm gonna do a quick save and try going up again. Oh, no, he's there. Hey there. Straight in the head. This is a good thing. Boom, boom, boom. Don't mind me, sir. Just doing my job. I can't see him anymore. Did I get him? A minigun? Are you asking me if I want a minigun? It's rock and roll. Yeah. This is gonna be freaking sweet. Alright, I'm pumped to test this out. New weapon. Always exciting. Exit. Good. Had enough of this stupid place. Dun dun. And a med kit. And you're missing a leg. Such a shame. I am picking up ammo from my other weapon though. So it's good to have some around. And I suppose it's up and over. Wait, I've been here, haven't I? Here we go, this is the way. Alright, time to test out our minigun. Ooh. Random brain? Piece of clothing? Okay then. This is a beast. Well, it eats up ammo like crazy, but that's what a minigun does. Let's reload this just in case. There we go. Pick up this. We are starting to look better on the health situation. Hey there. Boom. Who's next? Kinda hard to control properly, but it's fine. Hey there. Bye there. Oh! This weapon is such a boss! Yeah! Not today. Like, look at this. This is really, really good. Like, okay, I don't think these bullets are strong enough. Ooh, they actually are. Like, you can cause some damage to the environment in this game. That's very impressive. This game is old. Oh, I only have like a few rounds left. Hello? Oh no. I'm not in the mood to play right now. Not in a mood to play. How do I get past here, though? I guess here. What? Oh no, oh no, oh no. They won't die! They won't die! They can't die! They're not dying! Okay. Everything is fine. Everybody's happy. Everything is good in the world. Everything. Ooh, this is good. We're like at the main control center of the subway system. Yeah. Go there in a bit. Guessing we can't go here. Nope. I don't see anything else here. Let's move along. More random noises in the vent whenever you step over something. It's fine. It's fine. Hopefully we'll get there soon. It's been a long trek, man. What's in here? Nothing. Long hallways are so fun. Nothing bad can happen. Exit the subway system and proceed towards the medical center. Alright. Disconnected from server? What server? I'm playing single player. Oh, what's my latest one? A quick save here. What? Disconnected from... The save is like 3 minutes old, so it won't be that much to replay, but... What? Okay, so we're here again. We're gonna make a save. And we're not gonna be disconnected from the server. Hopefully. But I really hope we can actually get to the hospital soon. Oh, it's working. Perfect. Okay. Exit the subway system. That can be arranged. Picked up a combat shotgun after emptying my minigun. Boom. Fits us nicely now. Let's wait here for us. Oh god, that blood spray though. Boom. Oh, I barely damaged him. Oh, see, he was trying for a kick. Sometimes you can bait them into doing that, which is often very good for you. Anything else you have for me? Nope. There was a lot of explosives up here. I keep not seeing the explosives. I don't use them in combat as much as I probably should. Boom. Bam. Alright, there's one over there. Boom. Okay, got quiet. Boom. Don't shoot the exploding thing behind me. Please. I beg you. Gotcha. Keep running. I think there's somebody behind here. There's a med kit down there. I want it. Got it. Now I gotta figure out a way to get back up again. Oh, yes. Where was this supposed to happen? I'm not sure. Looks like this was supposed to happen. Is this a shortcut back? Yeah, it looks like this was a shortcut back. Okay. Good stuff. Let's escape. Whee! And another ladder. Oh, damn, that was close, Dark. Careful. Here we go. Whee! Huh? Well, that's not very nice. Poor guy. Are you okay? Nice booty. If you have a nice booty, then it's a shame you're going.
I made it. I'm at the hospital.
Alright. Good to know. Hopefully I will get there one day.
Oh god. They're dead. They're all dead.
I don't know what we expected.
They know you're coming. Be careful.
So, it's still the go plan? Ooh. Oh, oh.
They're hunting
Who's hunting me? Hot girls? I can deal with that. Okay. Give me very cryptic advice here. Oh, I'm not gonna make this jump. I'm not gonna make this jump. I did not make the jump. Alright, what do I do then? Guess I go through here. Then up here. Does this lead? Ooh. We can raise the water, so now the bridge is going to be walkable. And our health situation is pretty good, so it's always a bonus. There we go. Okay, solving little puzzles along the way. I really hate the water, because it's impossible to jump. Here. Am I supposed to even? There we go. Yeah, it is kind of buggy though. But it's fine. I'll continue on up, because I'm looking forward to getting out of the subway. I really am. It's been too much of it. Need to go on new adventures. Oh. So let us journey forth. Nothing there. Nothing there. Alright, checkpoints. Let's also wait for our flashlight. There we go. Use it sparingly. Oh, where's this? Interesting. Apparently there's contact. Oh! They're dropping down from above. No, you don't. Okay, he apparently threw a grenade. Boom. Hey there. Thought you could get the best of me? I know where you land now. Anybody else? Oh. Nope. What is that? Is that some sort of laser gun? Oh, it's the plasma matter gun. Oh, it's a laser cannon. That's a new weapon, isn't it? What is this? I don't know, but it looks freaking sweet. Let's try. Whoa, what am I? Can I saw off limbs with this thing, do you think? Oh my god! It's like, you know what, when a laser sword touches a wall? I get that feeling. So, oh, snap. Right, no, oh, ow! Who's firing? I don't know where it's firing from. Oh, there you are. Oh. So if I wanted to chop off your arm. God, that's a really cool weapon. What was that noise? Oh, I guess it was just part of the music. What do I do about this? I can't go through that. Oh, it's right there. Okay. So let's pull it and move on up. My new plasma cannon. This thing is beast. Don't report. Let's see. I actually... Do I want this? Oh, it's this one. I like my Type 7, but I don't have that much ammo for it, so fine. They're on the other side there. Oh! I see you guys. Hiding over there. Are you gonna try and throw a grenade? It's not gonna work too well, dude. Oh, there you are. Gotcha. Right, good. Now we can hopefully move across without being killed. That would be pleasant. Let's use this repeater cannon. It's kind of cool. And there we go. Who's up for some repeated pounding to the face? Sounds sexual, but I promise you it is not. It is quite deadly. Alright, let's go. Do 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 do. Do do do. Oh no. Hey there. Let's just run. Screw this place. Screw this. Screw it. Screw it. Screw all of it. Let's just keep on moving along. There's nothing bad here. Nothing bad's gonna happen. Everything is fine. Everything is super fine. Like, what would even go down in such a place like this? I mean, it's a lovely establishment with, you know, clear security. There's no... Oh, okay. As long as they remain a vision, I'm fine. Let's walk along the edges here. I just feel like that would be the best thing to do. Hello? Alright, almost out. We can do it. There we go. We made it. And we're full on medkits again. Good. Probably means you're gonna do something horrible. Hey there. Hi there. That probably damaged me a bit too much. It's a fun weapon though. It's not one I've used a lot. It does leave quite a mess. That's fine. Sayonara. That was fun. Hello? Not jumping down there. There we go. I can go here. Anybody want to mess with me?
Commander wants those charges primed and ready. Get those charges planted. The target is on his way.
Oh, those charges. Okay. Don't do that. It's probably dangerous. What is this? How do I... 1, 2, 6, 9. Nope. Doesn't work. What are they doing with this anyway? How dare you? On the subway tracks again, and as long as we don't get a subway coming our way, we should be just fine.
Charges are in place. Roger, Baker 3. Detonate the charges.
What? What is that? What's that gonna... Wait, there's so...
Detonating charges.
Oh no 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 no. Oh, hey there. Damn it. Gotcha. There's charges all over the place. They're not really detonating a lot of them at the same time though. That was kind of anticlimactic. Yeah, covering fire. Boom. Boom. I only have a few of these left. Gotta make sure they count. Lasers! Everybody gets free lasers today! Oh, this is bad. I'm just gonna run. Screw it, screw it, screw it. We're running. Just, nope, 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 nope. Why? Are you not dead? Why are you not dead? Every time they kind of duck down and it looks like they're dead when they're not really dead. And then they do some sort of melee attack that insta-hits you. Then you cry.
It's locked, dumbass.
What? Who said that?
Oh, hi. I, didn't know it was you. Listen, you owe me. You wouldn't have gotten out of Origin without me. You know that, right? You wait right there. I'll come around and open the door. But you gotta promise me you'll take me with you. You using the grenade launcher? No, wait, I want the plasma rifle. How about the minigun? No?
How are you still alive?
Goodbye.
How are you... How is he alive? Well, that's why there's so many cheese poos around. Should have guessed. It all makes sense now. Alright. Let's continue in. Medkit. Oh, so many. So many. Damn. Why is he alive? What? Okay, I'm royally confused by that. I thought he was, like, for sure dead. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. It's a good first sweep. Prepare for second sweep. Go! Boom, 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 boom. Kill you like that. Move around quickly. Nobody there. Whoa! Oh no. I don't have any ammo on any weapons whatsoever. I can't fight a minigun guy. I can't. I can't. I don't have the means. I don't have the means. I'm gonna have to resort to grenades and stuff. Here. Right. Let's keep it up. Huh. I'm being hit for so... Okay, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I can't fight that. 7. Go, my turrets. Activate. Defeat this fiend for me. Oh. Okay. Okay. That feature exists. Throw them. It's so awkward having the G key as the throw key. Come this way. I dare you to come this way. I have a lot of charges set up for you. Just come and accept your fate. I can't pick the... Ugh. Is he stuck there now? What is he doing? He doesn't want to... That's a problem. Oh, he's coming. Where? Click! Did I get him? Oh, my plan worked. My beautiful plan worked. Oh, I was left without boss weapons there. Had to resort to throwing everything. Panic quite a bit during those sections. Maybe I could have just ran out, but I'm not sure. Threat is eliminated. We're moving out of the subway. Thankfully. But of course it's not gonna be a smooth ride, because why would it be? Where's the fun in that, huh? And he goes flying. Boom. Alright, nothing here. Thank you for commuting with us. Yes. Let's go on the train then. We're riding a train to success. Oh, there's so much bad stuff here. Why? I don't want to say stuff. You place that right next to the grenade key. Boom. On the subway, go, go, go. Yeah. Yeah. But just throw all of my grenades out there. Oh, medkits. Got him. Let's move over to this one. Boosters. Perfect. Alright, let's see if we can just find the exit. Maybe just rush to the exit, because I don't want to fight that guy. They have some charges set, though. He's firing at me from behind. Alright. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Damn it. Yep. Yeah. I really don't know where to go. I really don't. But I think it's only that guy left. Boom. Boom. Gotta try and take him out. Even if it costs me a little bit of health. I think I got him. I did! I took out the heavy. Good, good, good. I love the fact that they announce everything for me. Makes it easier. Gotcha. Alright, now give me your weapons. I need ammo. At least I got some med kits, but ammo, I'm starting to run low. Give me the penetrator. And some more assault rifle ammo. Good. There are so many charges set here. Is it really safe to go? I guess this is why you can't escape, because if you try to go here, they'll blow the charges. Oh! Oh! They're blowing up. Go, go, go! Oh! Go, 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 go! Well, this certainly is bad. Go! Ah! Whoa! And out we go.